Hey! Today I am again at YouTube Space Tokyo, and look at the studio. How cool is this? You can even see Tokyo Tower in the background. Actually, I feel like this video is a bit of a waste for a beautiful studio like this, because all I'm going to do today is try these ramen. Beautiful, delicious ramen. But yeah, I just really wanted to shoot in this studio, so that's why I came here. Getting these ramen was actually quite a hassle. You cannot imagine how big Shinjuku Station is. Shinjuku Station is like a labyrinth, and if you get lost once, you will never make it out again. So I ran around in Shinjuku Station for over an hour, I think, before I found this stupid ramen shop. And they didn't even give me chopsticks with my ramen. And now you might be wondering, Sophie, but why do you run around for an hour searching for stupid ramen? You can buy them everywhere. Well, it's because it's not ramen. This is not... It's not ramen. I'm sorry. So what this actually is cake. It's cake! How cool is that? I fooled you there for a second, admit it. It is cake shaped like a bowl of ramen, and it's so detailed. The shop where you can buy these is called Sweets Paradise, and yes, that is the same thing as Maplai's cake, just in case you were wondering. Because I was very confused. It's actually not even that difficult to find. You basically just take the JR line to Shinjuku Station, you leave through the west exit, you turn to the right, you follow the signs to the Marunouchi line, you go up some stairs, you go down some stairs, and there you are! There it is! So yeah, I actually don't need chopsticks at all, but I brought a spoon with me! Okay, I was joined by my friend Emma, because
it's too much to eat by itself.
Yeah, it is actually too much.
I'm just gonna grab them. Wow, it's really soft.
Oh, it's like jelly.
Is that custard or something?
Maybe. Noodles. You don't look too happy about it.
I'm just shocked. It looks like ramen, and it's not.
It's not. It really isn't.
It's very apricot-y, but like creamy as well.
Okay, so is it good? Like
it's good. No, it's really good.
This is so weird. Oh my god.
I know.
Ah.
It's good.
It's really fluffy.
Yeah. What it's meant to be the
like,
chashu meat.
Yeah, like the meat.
What is it?
I don't know. It's nothing. It doesn't taste like anything. What even is this? Like, how did they even get it to be this shape?
I don't know. It's super good. But yeah, it's just a sponge cake all the way to the bottom, eh? There's nothing else. Yeah, just
like cream
layers of cream.
Lots of cream.
I think there's even a bit of custard. I think that's custard, no?
I think maybe the noodles are custard. This is supposed to be nori, no?
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah, it's meant to be nori.
Okay, I'll try
looks chocolatey.
Eat some nori. What's this supposed to be though?
That's meant to be... Oh god, I don't know. I don't know.
They had lots of other things as well, like they had gyoza and omuraisu and I don't even know what the rest was. I think they had katsudon as well.
And it was all apricot flavored one, like
I don't know. I hope it was different. That would be so lame.
Apricot flavors.
This is how it looks inside. Yay! It's dark.
You've been eating cake for hours.
It just suddenly got dark. I don't even know
what happened.
Yeah. How did you like it?
It was really good.
I think it was okay.
Yeah, it was visually very...
Yes, it was beautiful.
Yeah, it looked, I mean, just like ramen.
The taste was good, but it was too much.
It was just like sugary.
And I mean, it was huge. Actually, we didn't finish it yet. No. There's still half of it left, and we don't really know what to do with it. The stuff on top was a bit lame. I think it was kind of expensive for what it was.
It's 500 grams of sponge cake. It's not that bad if you think about it.
And it was beautiful, so
yeah.
If you want to try it as well, try and find it. I challenge you.
I would recommend it if you like novelty cakes.
And ramen. That aren't actually ramen.
Yeah.
It's super late already, and we still need to get dinner.
Yeah.
We get even fatter.
Yeah. Believe it or not, I once had ramen-flavored soft serve, like ice cream. And it was like soy sauce flavored. It was bizarre. It was salty.
That sounds horrible. Also, did I mention that I hate Shinjuku Station? I brought a